Welcome to day 8. This beautiful stick is going to be the Copperhead Dragon Wand. I'm now debarking it with a carving tool and speeded that up a little. This is going to be a beautiful wand. Here I'm using the barrel sander to go from the rough carved stick, smoothing it down a little more. With this barrel sander on my flex shaft with a foot touch stop and go that you never see because I never show you. Anyway, so there it is, barrel sanded now. This is day 8. I have worked on this on other days, but today it gets complete. It will be complete today. I still got to pick out the crystals, so I haven't done that yet. And this looks like a head of some sort. This is a dragon head. I love dragon wands. I found the point crystal for this dragon wand. Anyway, that's the one that's going in the dragon wand. It's flat, and we call it a tabular crystal, but it's also a singing crystal. So that will go in here. I have now picked out the spherical crystal, but it's metal. This is a copper ball. It is heavy. Oh my gosh, this is going to be amazing. Dragon wand. Okay, I've got to sand this, starting with a piece of very rough sandpaper, 80 grit. This is a laborious process to sand these sticks down to where they're soft and ready. I've sanded this with a rough sandpaper. Now I'm going to do medium and fine. This one's really exciting. Here I am making the hole for this round copper sphere using a round burr so that I can sort of dig that out in order for that to fit. And it looks like it fits. Yay. Then I've got two little places for black tourmaline spheres, and I'm just digging those holes out big enough so that the little sphere will fit in each. I'm going to call that an eyeball. And so now they're ready. It fit. And now I'm doing the opposite side that'll have the point crystal. And I start with these holes. Then I dig out the space, actually using that drill bit. It's kind of odd, but it seems to work for me. And there it fits. Yay. I don't know if you can see that. I've drawn in some scales for the dragon. And just gonna see what happens. Here I'm taking my wood burner, and I am doing the outline of these scales with a really flat tip. And then as I burn each scale, there's some shading that I'll end up doing, and this makes it look like actual scales. The shading's what does it. And while I'm not a real pro at pyrography, this wood burning, um, it's not exact. It's pretty much by the seat of my pants, and yet it's going to look fabulous. So that's the good part, and I enjoy it. This was a really good project for my skill level, and you'll see in the end. I put some scales on this dragon wand. Okay, so you saw that my dragon now has some scales. Like, not a ton, but enough to know it's a dragon. It's raining outside and the lawnmower is mowing the lawn outside. That's the extra noise you hear as you look at this dragon head wand. It's really, really cool. There's the glued in point crystal, Singing Lemurian point crystal. And there's the rest of the scales. I have finished gluing the copper ball to the head of this copperhead dragon wand. And here's the Lemurian point. I've put a hole here. And the last thing to do is clear coat. And I'm also going to make the scales a little bit shimmery. And I'm doing this with some iridescent paint that I watered down quite a bit. And now you see it in the sun. It looks fabulous. I mean, it looks fabulous to me. I hope you all can appreciate it. It's beautiful. Woohoo! Copperhead Dragon Wand! Woo!